way she chasing me, I'm right where I wanna be with the beat on my Bentley. Checks on my Air Max. Haters, better fall back before I put some in your broadcast. That's my chick, I got her back like a bra strap.
Hey guys, what up, what's going on? This is Duke King and I'm here to react to another video for you guys. I am sorry that I am being lazy to post any video lately since I got back from Pakistan and since I got married. So little, laziness, but hey, I'm gonna start posting video from now on. Hopefully every day, one video or two video. Yeah, my wife keep pushing me, dude, post a video, and I'm being lazy here, so I should listen to her and post more videos. So today I'm going to react to something new, something different. My sister sent it to me and I'm like, okay, what is that? And she sent me the video, and the video name called You Are My Sonia, parody cover Vina Fan Indonesia version. So I'm guessing they're kind of copy of the scene or the song You Are My Sonia from Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Hum, I believe, right? So are you guys ready, man? Let's go. So I like how they are showing the original video clip at the bottom and then their own parody of it. Interesting. Impressive with their dressing matches.
मैं जा रही हूँ।
Cool.
मैं जा रही हूँ।
अच्छा सुनो, मैं तुमसे कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ।
फाइनली, जल्दी कहो, मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है।
That is so awesome.
कहो।
कह दूँ?
कहो ना।
तुमने
बोलो ना।
दोनों
हम दोनों
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 दोनों गलत जूते पहने।
ये आजकल का फैशन है। शायद तुम नहीं जानते। कुछ भी डार्लिंग, you won't understand.
It is so cool that they copy exactly, and then dialogues and everything is amazing. I'm very impressed.
Of course, darling. Hey, you're looking great.
Thank you, handsome hunk. How'd you do it? दीदी से कहना मेरा इंतजार मत करे. I'll be late. Right?
Yeah.
Gorgeous. I hate him.
But I love you. But I love you. But I love you.
Yo, the way they are doing the same exact thing, the scene, oh, they're good, man.
देखा तुमको जब से, बस देखा तुमको यारा, तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना, तुमसे कोई प्यारा, यूं नजरें ना फेरो तुम, मेरे हो मेरे तुम।
Okay.
She's the girl I want, she's the one I love. She's sent to me from the heaven above. She's so cool, she's so fine. Out of 10, I'd give her 9.
And the dance moves are pretty impressive.
देखा तुमको जब से, बस देखा तुमको यारा।
I don't know why I'm keep staring at the original clip. I should be staring at the one they parodied on.
देखा तुमको जब से, बस देखा तुमको यारा, तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना, तुमसे कोई प्यारा, यूं नजरे ना फेरो तुम मेरे हो मेरे तुम कह दो ना you are my सोनिया hey कह दो ना you are my सोनिया
जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा यूं नजरे ना फेरो तुम मेरे हो मेरे तुम कह दिया you are my सोनिया you are my सोनिया you are my सोनिया
Man, they are amazing. Yo, thank you sis for sending me this, man, so I can react to it. This is on the point, for real.
तेरी मोहब्बत में ये दिल दीवाना है इसमें है मेरी क्या खता
हाँ ये दिल चुराने का अच्छा बहाना है मुझको है पहले से पता
मिलने में हमको कितने बरसों लगे हैं यारा
ऐसी खुशी के पल तो फिर ना आए दोबारा
ऐसी खुशी में यारा ये नशा क्या कम होगा कह दो ना you are my सोनिया
कह दिया you are my सोनिया
पागल बनाया है तेरी अदाओं ने मुझको तो है तेरा नशा
मैंने भी पलकों में तुमको छुपाया है तुम मेरे ख्वाबों में बसा
बेताबी कहती मेरी आजा बाहों में भर लो
जीना है तेरी होके मिलके ये वादा कर लो
दोनों ने कसमें ली है प्यार कभी ना कम होगा कह दो ना you are my सोनिया
कह दिया you are my सोनिया
देखा तुमको जब से बस देखा तुमको यारा
तुमसे कोई अच्छा है ना तुमसे कोई प्यारा
है यूं नजरे ना फेरो तुम मेरे हो मेरे तुम कह दो ना you are my सोनिया
कह दिया you are my सोनिया you are my सोनिया
Alright guys, this is gold, man. This is amazing by Indonesian people, man. This is gold to create the original clip. This is seriously amazing. I am very, very impressed with these guys. Exactly moves, exactly dialogues, everything was on the point. Man, I give this video like how they created exactly 9 out of 10, bro. This was on point. Seriously, you guys did an amazing job. Meena fan, go subscribe the channel, guys. They are amazing, man. I'm just still speechless, shocked how amazing job they did, man, with this copying or parody is amazing. Seriously, great job, guys. Hopefully I will react to more of your videos. If you guys want to see more videos, reaction videos on them, so hey man, go subscribe to the channel, like the video of me, and share their videos or whatever. Don't forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe my channel, guys. Those of you who are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that bell icon and get notified every time I upload a video for you guys. Again, if you have more requests for me to react to something like this, copy paste the link or follow me on my Instagram, DM me there, and I will react to it for you guys. But it's amazing, seriously, I love it. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys with another video. Till then, peace.
Picture me and my gangster girl riding with the top back, banging knee on my neck, free on my socks, hat tilted to the side, like you know I get my grind on, get my shine on, jewelry blinking no rhinestones, rim spinning like a globe on these slow pros. Do it big 'cause I'm supposed to floss, and that's the reason she break